Hello everyone, Ranjita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very easy, simple and quick card making tutorial. I am going to show you how you can make an easy Valentine card with absolutely minimal supplies. So let's get started. Firstly, I am starting with this piece of pattern paper. This is a part of the Craftangles Aged Roses pattern paper pack, and I am chosen the pink shade out of it. And then I've cut out such simple hearts out of this pattern paper. I've also cut out a word saying celebrate out of pink glitter foam cardstock. However, you can use any ready-made sentiments available in the market, but since I have these dies, I wanted to use some glitter onto my card. So as you can see here, using liquid adhesive, I've just pasted my word here. I've also cut out the letters from the word love, and I'm pasting each letter onto each of the heart that I've cut out from pattern paper. These will look like heart balloons, so I'm adhering each letter with liquid adhesive onto each of the pattern paper heart that I've cut out. This is a very simple card design, and it is the best way to use all those little bits of beautiful pattern paper that you've been stocking up. All I'm doing is cutting out small hearts from those pattern paper, and this card design doesn't really take up too much of pattern paper as well. In fact, I'm doing all the balloons in the same color. However, you can use different colored cardstocks and make your card design more colorful as well. As you can see here, I'm adhering these hearts with a double-sided adhesive, and I'm randomly pasting them all over, making them look like a bunch of flying balloons. This is a very simple card design. You really do not require too many fancy supplies to make this. Even if you are a non-card maker and you do not have too many supplies, you can even cut out these hearts from colorful magazine papers and just randomly cut out these letters from newspaper pins or books or old magazines, and you can make your own beautiful Valentine card as well. So this is a design that I wanted to show you that you can make in very less time. Now I'm taking a piece of pink yarn here, and I'm securing it with some cellophane tape on the back of the card, and I'm just wrapping it thrice, and I'm then again securing the other end behind the card with the cellophane tape again. This little bit of yarn has brought in so much more interest to this simple card design, and I really liked how the addition of little yarn had changed the entire look of the card and made this simple card more elegant. To pop this up a little bit further, I'm adding a little satin bow to the center of this yarn, and then to secure this everything together, I am placing a little bit of foam adhesive underneath the yarn. This will secure the entire yarn and the bow. And finally, I'm adding double-sided foam adhesive to this and mounting it onto an A2 sized pink card base. That's it, our card is almost done. Now to add strings to this balloons that I have made here out of hearts, I'm just taking a jelly roll pen in the shade matching to my pattern paper, and I'm just freely drawing some strings here. Beautiful, isn't it? Very quick, easy card with absolutely minimal supplies. You do not have to be a great card maker to make a good card to your loved ones. I hope you liked this simple design, and you will also definitely give this a try. You can see the close-up images of the finished card here. I really liked how simple and easy it was to make this beautiful card. It hardly took me 10 to 15 minutes, and all I needed was some scrap pieces of pattern paper. I hope you like this design, and you will also definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for stopping by, and do subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I share a lot of card inspiration there. All the links are given in the description box below. I would love to see you stop by. Thank you.